Welcome to our channel. If you want to sell digital art and monetize your creative work, follow this quick guide to reach buyers and generate income. Step 1. Choose selling platforms suitable for digital art such as Etsy for prints, ArtStation Marketplace for concept art, or Society6 for print-on-demand products. Step 2. Create high-quality digital art files in popular formats like PNG, JPG, or PSD with sufficient resolution, at least 300 dpi for prints. Step 3. Price your artwork competitively by researching similar pieces in your style and considering factors like complexity, size, licensing rights, and your experience level. Step 4. Create compelling product listings with professional preview images, detailed descriptions, and tags that help buyers discover your work through search. Step 5. Decide on licensing options, exclusive rights for higher prices, or non-exclusive licenses allowing multiple purchases at lower per-sale prices. Step 6. Market your digital art through social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, where visual content performs well and artists build followings. Step 7. Build an email list of interested buyers and send regular updates about new artwork, sales, or limited-time offers to encourage repeat purchases. Step 8. Deliver files promptly after purchase through secure download links, ensuring high-quality files and excellent customer service to generate positive reviews. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.